While Google Workspace provides robust security layers, including sophisticated algorithms, spam filters, whitelists, and compliance rules, phishing attacks can still successfully compromise user inboxes. Mitigating a phishing attack requires proactive analysis and a robust damage control solution. ToogleBox is a reactive and efficient tool designed to help administrators quickly remediate an attack once it's detected. When any employee identifies or suspects of a phishing email, he must follow these basic rules immediately. Do not click on any links or download any attachments. Do not reply to the email. Report it to your IT team immediately. Once reported, delete it from your inbox. The most important part is making sure the harmful email is deleted by the super admin using ToogleBox. He must log in to ToogleBox and clicking on the Email Search and Deletion e-discovery icon. Click on the orange button and specify the target domain and search criteria, such as the subject of the email and the date range. Finally, click on the blue Launch Search button. When the search task ends, click on the orange round icon to view the results. Analyze them and select the appropriate emails to be deleted, which are confirmed to be phishing attempts. Select the emails you want to delete and click on the green button. Once the email deletion task is finished, the super admin will receive a final email with the results. The task results will also be available for audit at History setting in ToogleBox. So this is it. The email was deleted across your domain and your problem was solved. When deleting harmful emails domain-wide, ToogleBox is the right solution.